So you should have seen the video to the Amy Cuddy power pose that I did, and also as well my own experiments using your posture. So what I'd like to do now, if you haven't seen that, go back and actually watch that video now, and I'll put that particular video in the description. After seeing it, I highly recommend that you set 2 minutes aside that you can do at least once a day. Twice a day is even better, so you can stand in the power pose, what's kind of known as a superhero pose. So that's feet nicely apart, hands on the hips, and the head held high in a confident position. And it's good to breathe calmly and gently, but apart from that you don't have to really do anything else. So go ahead and do that now. Really try it out for at least 30 days, and then your results please say in the description.